let's make this sign-in page look just a little nicer. We can go ahead and make a signin.css. Why not? I'll do signin.css. Before I even put anything in there, I'm going to go into signin.js and import it before I forget. Import signin.css. Let's look at our CSS from the static version. Let's see, where's sign-in stuff? Here it is. There we go. There's a bunch of sign-in. Copy, copy, copy. Sign in, sign in, sign in. There we go. Copy that into signin.css. See how much of this just magically looks better. Starts to look a little better. My splash page isn't happy because it wants it's a CORS thing, looks like. And I've got my sign-in thing. I've got a little font awesome thing there that's giving me trouble. See, got my little flashing icons. Yeah. We're probably gonna have to fix it. Yeah, it's in style.css to copy out of there, but there it is. Okay, we'll deal with the splash image in a sec. So we've got a font awesome thing here that's changed. fa-github. Let's go out to font awesome. I know it's going to be FAB because that's what they do for the brand ones now. So GitHub. There we go. GitHub. FAB, FA GitHub, just as I suspected. So FAB, FA GitHub. There it is. Now I wish there were a little more space in between those two things. So what's up with that? Let's see here. Signin.css. So I put a little margin right on this thing, but we're not actually using the eyes anymore. We're using an SVG. So I will put, looks like the SVG still has a class of FA GitHub. Also, it's not FA anymore. It's FAB. We'll see if that just happens to fix it. That didn't fix it. I didn't think it would. So we need to make sure there's a little space around this SVG too. So I will just say comma sign in button.github space SVG. Now there's a little space there. That's better. My Google button doesn't look right either. So for that one, I didn't use Font Awesome. I used an SVG, which we did put inside the public folder, I think. Or no, we put it in source. So we could try import Google logo from / what's it called? Google.svg / google.svg, and then have image source equals Google logo. There we go. Now I suspect this is a thing with a white background, and since my splash screen isn't loading, I've got a problem. So let's see what's going on here. Unsplash It is a website where you can find some lovely style sheets. Let's go out here. Unsplash It. Origin response error. Okay. Let's just go to unsplash.it. Is it? Okay, it didn't used to be. Huh. Does that fix it by itself? Did you try that? What if I change it to unsplash.com? Does that change it? No. It still has a... it still blocks it. Okay. Let's search for... I don't know. There was like a desk in the picture that I used. I think it's this one. That seems legit. If it wasn't that one, oh, it was this one. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. All right. So they'll let you download it. Let's see if I click on info. Okay, they used to just let you hot link them. That's okay. We'll download it. What does collect do? I don't know. They've changed the site. Let's download for free. There it is. Find it. It's called Dustin Lee something. Dustin Lee. There we go. I'll get my public folder open. There it is. I'm going to copy it from my downloads folder into public. Then I'll change my CSS to just point to probably be relative to this. Where does it put these? I can't remember for sure. Copy the image path, .jpeg. I don't know. I don't know what the right path's going to be. Let's play with it. Yep, okay, that didn't work. Move it inside source. That's fine. I'll do that. Instead of putting it in my public directory, I'll put it inside source. And I will just import like that. There we go. All right, so download the image, put it in your source directory, and change the style sheet to just the name of that file, which I didn't rename it, so it's this. So I'll paste in Slack. Let's go to, just go to unsplash.com. Unsplash.com. I just searched for desk because I remembered it had a desk in it. Look for it long enough, you'll probably find it. I actually found one that looked similar first. Clicked on that. Saw related photos. Okay, cool. That's the one I remembered I wanted. If you find a different image you'd rather use, that's fine. Just download it. Download free. Download the downloads folder. Copy it over to source. And then you can reference it in your CSS. Cool. There we go. So style the sign-in page. Style sign-in.